In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Veed.io account. Now, if you've decided it's time to say goodbye to this video editing platform, I'm here to guide you through the entire process. We'll go step by step to ensure everything is done smoothly and correctly, so you can be worry-free knowing you've managed your account preferences as you wish. First things first, you'll need to log into your Veed.io account, fire up your web browser, and head to the Veed.io website. Enter your login credentials as you typically would. It's essential to ensure you have access to the correct account you want to delete, so double check that you've logged into the right profile. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate your way to the top right corner of the dashboard. Here you'll see your profile picture sitting happily. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu populated with various options related to your account and settings, making it easy to manage everything from your profile to billing information. In this menu, you'll find the Account Settings option. Give that a click. These settings are the command center for your account, an area where you can tweak personal info, manage security options, and take a deeper dive into your subscription details. It's here that we can proceed with deleting your account. In the Account Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option to Delete My Account. This is the action that will initiate the deletion process, so click it when you're ready. At this point, it's important to understand that this step will permanently remove your account, and you might lose all associated data unless you've downloaded or saved it elsewhere beforehand. A confirmation prompt will appear, verifying your intention to delete the account. It's a safety net ensuring you don't accidentally remove something you might need later on. When this prompt shows up, read it carefully, and if you're sure about your decision, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Before we wrap up, there's an important note. If you have an active subscription with Veed.io, you might need to cancel it or reach out to their support team to address the subscription first. This is crucial because an active subscription can sometimes interfere with the ability to delete an account entirely. Handling this step beforehand will save you time and potentially some frustration. And there you have it, a clean slate with just a few clicks. That's how you delete your Veed.io account. Following these steps ensures that everything is taken care of without a hitch. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has helped you in managing your online presence effectively.